appropriations to extend parliamentary courtesy of the office of the President
I object,
and
Mr.
recognition of
Chair.
his distinguished role and significance in government. I move that we terminate the budget hearing of the office of the President.
Is there a second
I
to the
object,
motion?
Mr. Chair. I object dahil sabi po ng Presidente, all government agencies undergo the same process tuwing budget deliberations bilang sagot sa Office of the Vice President, Mr. Chair. So kung ganun, Mr. Chair, na ita-terminate natin ngayon yung deliberations, we are affirming ang pagiging brat ng Vice President. And in fact, Mr. Chair, pinapalabas natin na nagsisinungaling yung mismong Presidente na mag-undergo ng scrutiny, Mr. Chair.
Please back your statement na nagsisinungaling yung Presidente.
No, Mr. Chair, that would depend on the decision of this committee. Kasi on record yun, Mr. Chair.
We have to delete that portion where you're insinuating that there will be pagsisinungaling if we follow tradition. We're a co-equal branch of government, and the President cannot dictate on this committee or in each congressman the wills of each congressman.
Naming matanong, will the government go after those who aided Kibuloy? Kasi kung matatandaan, sabi ni former President Duterte, alam daw niya kung nasaan si Kibuloy, pero secret lang daw. Si VP Sara Duterte, sabi niya, nasa langit daw. Obstruction of justice ito. Isinala nga natin ang Office of the Vice President dito, tapos ngayon nagbibigay ng courtesy sa Office of the President. Double standard dito. Nade-deprive ang mga mamamayang Pilipino na malaman paano ginastos ng Presidente, pinakamataas na opisyal sa Pilipinas, ang kanyang
yung papalobong intelligence funds and confidential funds. So mapapansin natin, Mr. Chair, sa 10 billion na budget ng Office of the President, halos kalahati dito ay nasa CF at saka fund.